again, with an alignment, I can select that alignment, right click, and choose the new cross-section view. And what this allows me to do is actually work my way along this alignment and see, you can see down here the stationing. So if I put my cursor and I set my focus in the stationing down here, and I put my cursor here at station 6 or snap to it, it's going to take me to that section. I can zoom in and I can see my cross section and the corridor information at this location. So I can see where my flow lines are, my top back and curve, my cross slopes of my road. The white information you see here are the stored cross sections that came in from the LandXML corridor data. So it gives you a preview of what that looks like. You can also use the slide bar down here to scroll along, and you can see that I'm not seeing those white sections because I'm not at an actual sample line in my corridor. But if I was able to come in here and pick, like this station here, then you'll see that I get that information. And you can also control the surfaces, so I can turn on and off what surfaces I want to display, clicking the surfaces button. And then under the station navigation settings, you can come in here and you can set a station interval. So when you're using these buttons here, it will actually jump. Right now it's going to jump to all the key points of the corridor. So you can see every 25 foot in this case. But if I come over to the sections, I could come in here and set this to 10 and click OK. And then what that allowed me to do is jump from every 10-foot station interval along that alignment. So you'll see here now I'm at 775. There's a 80. There's a probably a geometry point like a PVI or a vertical horizontal curve. And now you can see that now I'm jumping to those additional sample line sections. Okay.